Hello everybody. On I think it was Sunday night. Yeah, it was. I went back home because I had an appointment the next day in my village, and my nan does not live in a village; she lives in a town. But anyway, I went back home, and now I'm back again. And I bought my Igenix 30-inch tower fan over here, the one with the button controls and the timer and this oscillator at the back. And in this video I'm going to be doing a comparison of this one I bought from home versus the one that I have here, which is the 30-inch Igenix tower fan with the on-off button, the 3-speed switch, timer, oscillation, and also this one has remote control and that one doesn't. Plus look at the top of that one, the top of this one, they look different at the top as you can see. This one has like the buttons, controls and the timer at the top here with like the circle bit with this circle silver around it. On this one it has the on off button, the 3-speed timer, oscillation, and it also has LED lights here as well. It also has kind of, I don't know what colour this is supposed to be. It's kind of like grey. It has like a grey colour at the front, at the top here. On this is obviously white with silver around it. Yeah, I'm just gonna show you the remote control. I'll put the remote up here. This is the remote control that comes with it. Same buttons, on, off, 3 speeds, oscillation, timer. And also on the front, the logo is different as well. Here's the logo on this one, and also here's the logo on this one. This kind of has a line underneath the logo. And also the eyes are different. Well, no, the eyes are the same. It's the G. The G's are different, I've noticed. And the N and the E are different as well. They're in capitals on this one, but on this one they're lowercase, I do believe. Yeah, that's right. And the remote control stores in the back of the fan like this. It stores in the back of there. I wonder if there's a hole on the back of this one. Inside there, I wonder if it was stored in the back of here. No, it doesn't store in the back of that one. The shape of the hole must be different. Let's quickly have a look at the hole. Look at the hole on this one. Yes, it's different shape at the top and the bottom. It's a little bit of a different shape. That's why it only fits in this one, not in this one. Plus this also has this thing here, which this one does not have. And what that thing now is for the remote control. Because it has like the bit there at the front, and you have to point that bit there at the front to this thing here. Let me show you. Like that. As I'm standing right close to the fan, I'll probably do it manually. So here's the front of the two. Bases on them. Very similar in design at the front. Very, very, very similar. Turn them on the side here. Again, the sides are very similar. Sorry, this one. But this one kind of, like, when it goes around here, it kind of bends kind of downwards like that. On this one, it kind of stays straight, but it bends a little bit down at the end now. Now, I'll show you the back. Here's the back of them. Again, on the back, very, very similar. Back on this one. Also the oscillators on the back on this one. On that one, it's not. It's up. It's there. So there's no switch there on this one. So here's the back. I might take that out actually so I can show the hole properly. Here's a proper look at the hole. And the hole on this one. Even the hole's probably very similar, but again it's not quite the same. The model number on my one, which is the newer one, is model DF0030. It's 45 watts as well. Made in China, and it's 220/240 volts. And on this model, it's model DF0035, and it's 45 watts again, 220/240 volts, made in China. And before I start turning them on and all that, I'm going to show you the plugs on them. On the one with remote control, that's kind of an older sort of plug, and on my one it has a newer plug. This one's a 3 amp fuse plug, and this one's a fuse plug. I don't know if that's what amp that is. They're both 3 penny because I live in the UK obviously. So I'm going to go ahead and run this one on low without oscillation first. Here's a closer low. Now I'll turn it off. Now I'll start this one up on speed 1. They both blow about the same amount of air on low. Now we're off. Now I'll start this one up on speed 2 without oscillation. Now I'll turn that off. Okay, now I'm going to do this one on speed 2 without oscillation. Without oscillation. I'll turn it off. Now I'll start this on speed 3 without oscillation. And I'll turn it off. Now I'll start this one up on speed 3 without oscillation. I'll say on low, medium and high they blow about the same amount of air, but although I think my one might be just a tiny bit more powerful, probably because it's newer. Okay, I'll turn it off, and I'll start this one off on low with oscillation. I'll move this one a bit over there, so it has no room to oscillate. Okay, I'll turn it off once it's centered. Now I'll do this on low with oscillation. Now I'll turn it off. Now I'll do this one, medium of oscillation. Now I'll turn it off once it's centered. Now I'll do this one on high oscillation. This one doesn't oscillate as fast because it's an older fan. Now I'll turn it off once it's centered. You can obviously tell this one's older, it's more yellowy sort of colour. This one looks more newer. The newer white is more colour. Now anyway, here's high oscillation. Turn it off once it's centered. Oh, that's on still. Anyway, that's going to be it for this comparison video between two Igenix 30-inch tower fans. The one I brought from home, which is the one with the push button controls and the timer there, and the switch there. This is a manual fan, and with this one, it is a remote control Igenix 30-inch tower fan with an on-off button, the speed button to make it go up and down, the timer button, and the oscillation button. This is not just a manual fan, you know, you can use the remote control which is there. But anyway, that's going to be it for this comparison between the two 30-inch tower fans. And anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, then please comment, like and subscribe. And thank you very much for watching. People who have already subscribed, don't forget to comment and like if you like the video. But if you don't really like the video, then you can put the thumbs down. It's fine by me, I don't really mind. But anyway, maybe in the future I might do a comparison where I bring my Argos Value 30-inch tower fan over and do a comparison of that one versus this one. Then maybe even one day in the future I might put them all three in the same video. But anyway, that's going to be it for this one though. And as always, see you in the next video guys. Bye for now.